All right, guys, test 5, question 34 to 36. Use the information below. The question says you have a pendulum of length 10 cm and you want to swing it without any air resistance, and the mass of the bob is 200 gram. The question says the weight of the string can be ignored. Number 34, this is what it is asking you. How long would it take the pendulum to move from top left to top right? So from this point, if I pulled it and I let it go, how long will it take to move from left to right? So that is actually half of the period. What I'll do is this. I will recall the formula for the period t, which is 2 pi L over G in a root. Now I want left to right, so I want T, L, R. So I will time this by half. If you half this 2 and this 2 cancels. You're left with pi L over G. Now the value for L that I have is 10 cm. 10 cm is 10 times centimeter is 10 to negative 2. Divided by G, G is 10. So these 10 cancels. If you root this out, you get 10 to negative 1. And pi is 3.14. 3.14 divided by 10 is 0.314 seconds. So my answer for this is C. All right, number 35. What is the velocity of the pendulum? You want to find V. You use the formula V equals omega R. Omega is 2 pi over the period T, all right, times R. Now I'm going to plug all the values in. This is what I'm getting. V equals 2 pi. I realize that R is 10 centimeter, which is 0.1, divided by T. Now this T is doubled of that. Okay, so this T means it's going from left to right and then end at the left again. All right, so it's 0.314, doubled it. Now I can find V now. This cancels with this. All right, and 3.14 times 0.1 will cancel with that. I'm left with 1 meters per second. So the answer for this is A. Now number 36, what is the centripetal force of this pendulum? So I recall Fc equals mv squared over r. Now m here is the mass, which is 0.2 kilogram times the velocity 1 squared over the radius 0.1. Now I can simplify this and I'm getting 2 Newton. This is the Fc, the value of Fc I'm getting.